This will be an introduction to the Yilu, the first routine in the Chen style Taijiquan practical method. Okay. I've been an indoor disciple of Master Chen for 23 years. I've been training him for 25. The Yilu is the most important routine. I'll also hear us refer to it as the 81, but in reality, there's well over 300 moves. So you want to start with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, okay? The initial move is your right arm is going to bend at the elbow and your left arm is going to come straight up. So from the side, this is the action here. We come up and that's what it looks like. If you notice, my right elbow doesn't move, okay? The configuration of my left arm doesn't rotate the waist, leaving the left hand, and the left hand's going to go down and the hands are going to open like this. So now from here, we're going to shoot our right leg on the heel. Our left elbow is going to come in like this. Our right elbow is going to come in like this. And our left arm is going to come around like this in what's called a negative circle. So that's what spreads its wings. Now, from here, okay, again, one of the things that the study of practical method has taught me, okay, is that the principles in practical method are not unique to practical method. The problem is a lot of the other arts we're doing, because of the emphasis on sport and other things, have lost these ideas, have lost these principles. Big thing is don't toss. If you work on it now and you work on it, you're going to really feel your legs. All right. One of the things you want to realize with real Taiji practice, okay, is it's extremely physical. That's one of the things that people, when they come in and do a seminar with myself or Master Chen, after the first day, they're like, wow, I can't believe how physical this is. Okay, this is a martial art. It's a martial art. Now, the key is if you practice it right, you will get martial skill, but you'll also get a high health benefit. If you're just standing around in a park, just kind of waving your arms around, and if you're doing all this tossing type of action, like you see a lot of people do in the other styles of Taiji, incorrect. You're actually hurting the body, causes knee problems, causes hip problems, okay? So with us, the structure is very important. The idea is if you can maintain your structure, your opponent, his structure has to break on your structure, okay? Back up. That was the first 13 moves of the Yilu. I'll do one from the side too, so you can get a side view. I will tell you, having practiced this form for probably 23 years, 24 years, if you attempt to practice this form correctly, you will gain ability. You will see and feel things with your body. I say all the time about practical method, it rewires the relationship between your brain and your body. Okay. So, if you want to call it internal, okay, that's fine, whatever, but we don't like to label it. We just think it's a higher level of practice. All right. And I think if you start training this form and work on it, you'll begin to realize just how special it is. A teacher once told me, when I started learning this form, he was advanced age, and he said, boy, I wish I was your age when I learned this form, because this is like the mother of all forms. So I'll leave you with that, and good luck with your practice. Thanks.